going on, everybody? This is Varsity Breaks here with the 2020 National Treasures Collegiate Football single box PYT break that was posted up on eBay. Teams ended today, the 13th of December, and ended, I think, between like 1 and 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're doing the break now at about 5:50 Pacific Standard Time. As you can see, all the teams are up on the screen, all the players and all the teams. So good luck, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for buying in, who did buy in. And then also for those of you who, and all of you did, paid promptly. So I really appreciate that. Pretty awesome. And let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure something. Okay. I was just making sure my audio was working because I couldn't hear it on my computer, but I have it turned way down. So, all right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Just one little disclaimer, I guess I'll say, is just to remind everybody that these are collegiate cards. So any cards pulled that they go to the team that the player is currently playing for. So, i.e. Tom Brady. Any Tom Brady cards out of here will go to the Buccaneers, unless it specifically says Patriots on the card. And then any retired player, it will go to whoever they played for the longest. I.e. Randy Moss would go to the Vikings and not the Patriots or another team he played a year for. So just a little heads up on that. This video will be posted on YouTube, so if you're watching it live and want to watch it back, it will be posted up on YouTube pretty shortly after the break, depending on how long it takes to download or upload the video, I should say. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we are, National Treasures Collegiate Football Collection 2020. Hope we pull some monster for somebody. And good luck to you all. I know not everybody can get something very nice, but it's just like the baseball. It's got the different finish on the box than it has had in previous years. Interesting. If there's any technical difficulties that happen, my recorder is constantly recording, so that kind of helps in that regard. All right, here's our mini box. All right. Good luck. Come on. Actually, I'm going to put that one there. All right, here we go. I'm pulling this guy out of NT a lot. First card is going to be for the Cardinals. Kyler Murray base. Silver out of 23 out of 49 for the Cardinals. And I know your name's Chris, but CR Cream 65, I'll call you. There's card number 1. I'm going to go ahead and actually close this out. All right, we have another base card. This is going to be Miles Sanders from Penn State. Numbered 4 of 75 goes to the Eagles. Eagles running back there. That looks like a blue foil. Eagles. Miller's Card Shack. Congrats. All right. Oh, we got a book here right on top. We got LaMichael Perrine. 3 out of 10. I believe that's the Jets. Gators with a nice, really nice Pro Bowl, bowl game, Chick-fil-A bowl game patch autograph. Very nice. There's your auto on a kind of like plastic acetate, and then Gators jersey. So, congratulations, Jets. Sorry, I'm trying to... That's Cream again, 665. I have slider boxes and stuff for those, so All right, the next one is a duel. So we're going to have to run a random on this one. I wasn't planning on this. Didn't think this would happen, but a dual LSU, Clyde Edwards-Helaire and Justin Jefferson. So we're going to go Kansas City Chiefs with Helaire and Justin Jefferson. Jeez, and the Vikings for Justin Jefferson. This one is 85 of 99. Kind of hard to see on there, but it's right there. There we go. 85 of 99. So we'll set that one aside to do random after the break's over. All right, next up, we got about 5 cards left. We got a Yetur Gross-Matos for the Panthers. And unfortunately, this one's got a little ding on the bottom left corner. Let's see if I can get that in there. It's not really as much of a ding as it is a little bit of lift on the, there you go. You can kind of see it right there. It's for the Panthers, 76 of 99 rookie auto. And that's the Panthers and Chris M again. All right, 4 left. All right, this is a dual auto. 2 Michigan Wolverines, Donovan Peoples-Jones and Shea Patterson. Now I know, let's see, this one is numbered 5 out of 15. I know Peoples-Jones is Browns. Oh, shit. What happened here? What the hell happened? Oh, God damn it. All right, I think we're back. I'm not sure what happened there. All right, so the Gross-Matos, and then our next hit was a dual auto. Donovan Peoples-Jones and Shea Patterson for the Wolverines. And the Browns for Donovan Peoples-Jones, Shea Patterson. I am not sure about Shea Patterson, so I'm going to have to look that one up at the end of the break. So we'll get into the next 3 cards, and then we'll figure out who Shea Patterson goes to. And then we'll go from there and see if we need to random that one, which I'm sure we will. All right, next is a RPA, vertical. RPA, Brian Edwards for the Raiders. 19 of 99. The Raiders is JCF 21-29-52. Congratulations. Pretty nice one right there. I don't know how much run he's getting, but congrats. That's way too big. And that is, oh, just right. All right. There you go for the Raiders. And then you got another RPA, vertical. I got 3 RPAs in this stuff. Cole Kmet, 41 of 99 for the Chicago Bears. And Dan SQ, 23. Congrats, Dan. All right. And we got one more RPA coming. This one is going to be a parallel to 49. And it's going to be for the Indianapolis Colts. And Jonathan Taylor, blue foil. On card, 32 of 49. Pretty nice one right there. Especially would be for me. being a Wisconsin and a, well, I'm a Colt fan now, I guess. Jonathan Taylor, 32 of 49, blue. And that is it, everybody. Thank you guys so much again for the break. Oh, that one's a little thicker. To put that one in. It's 180. Sorry, the Colts is Chris M. Congrats. When you buy a lot of teams, you get a lot of cards. So congrats to you on that RPA. So we got the 2 left to do. I'm going to do a real quick search here right now. All right, Shea Patterson. Says Chiefs. See if that's still true. I don't think he's on any team right now. Let's see. It's always these guys who, it's not always clear. Okay, so Chiefs and then got cut. I'm assuming he didn't get picked up by anybody. It says waived by Kansas City. Okay. All right, so that is going to be Kansas City. Let me go ahead and get us set up on our random draw here. Let's see. We'll start with the dual relics. So we have Chiefs and Vikings. Semi-pro now. Awesome. Chiefs 2. Chiefs 2. All right. Okay. Here we go. We go over and... All right. So here we go. If you guys read on the eBay listing, any sort of random draws are a 4-click draw. So whoever ends up on top of here will get the card between the Chiefs and the Vikings. Before I do this, I might as well... You know what? Chris has both of these. I should have been paying attention. So this is going to Chris M65 because he has both of the Chiefs and the Vikings. And then we got... The next one's got the Chiefs for Shea Patterson and the Browns. And the Browns is owned by CHTUR, so we're going to do that one. Why don't we just do Chiefs? We'll take this to the Browns. And Browns 2. All right. So whoever we end up after 4 clicks, whichever team ends up on top will win the duel of Peoples-Jones and Shea Patterson auto, numbered out of 15. So good luck, everybody. Or both of you, I should say. 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 4th and final time. Good luck. Going to the Chiefs. And Chris M. Congrats, Chris. All right, and that will do it for the break. I'm going to do a quick little recap for everybody. I'll try to make it as quick as possible since we don't have a ton of cards in the first place. It's only one relic only card. That's a lot of autos in there. All right, so we got the Miles Sanders to 75 for the Eagles. Kyler Murray to 49 for the Cardinals. And then this duel, which the owner of the Chiefs and the Vikings was the same. Then to our autos, we have Yetur Gross-Matos rookie auto for the Panthers. Duel of Peoples-Jones and Shea Patterson. This one went to the Chiefs. Then we have RPAs are Jonathan Taylor to 49, Colts. Cole Kmet, 99 to the Bears. and Bryant Edwards 99 to the Raiders. And then we had a really nice 3 out of 10 LaMichael Perrine bowl game patch auto with the Gator jersey. A nice Chick-fil-A patch right there. So that's it for the break. Thanks again, everybody, for getting into the break. Thank you for paying so promptly. I hope you enjoyed it. I will post that more. And I will see you all next time. Thank you very much. Good night.